Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how I build a design system for Figma. So first, let's really to be satisfied with things that is really to be important with the thing that is should be really a sign of designing system. So I will give you a conclusion because it's really too long on some videos on YouTube. You create a Figma file dedicated to your design system, which is really through this part here on the right. Okay, so let me see. Okay, on the left corner, and then I start to click here, file, send you design, and gonna open. And then we can start to add some kind of styles and colors and text and grids and effects and build master components for it. And this is really about, okay, you search for many things of tools. You can start to see design us about it, and that is all about summary of building design.